Consider the simplest one-to-one system. Let's see, we have one node A, which produces the product, for example, milk. And the milk will be shipped to another node, let's say B, with consuming the milk. So we have this one-to-one system. To capture the production and the consumption behavior, we need to introduce the time dimension. For example, let's see at day 1, the production of the milk at location A, let's say, is 1 gallon. In day 2, we have another 1 gallon. And then day 3, maybe you have 2 gallons, and so on. In this way, we can draw a figure where the horizontal axis, let's say it is the time, and then the vertical axis, let's say it is the cumulative production. So we can see at time day 1, we have 1 gallon. Then at day 2, we have another 1 gallon. That makes it to 2 gallons in total. And then in day 3, we have another 2 gallons. So we have 4 gallons in total. If we draw a line connecting them, then we plot the cumulative production line for node A. Then similarly, we can plot the cumulative consumption line over time. So you can find that the cumulative production line and the cumulative consumption line are all increasing over time. So that means the gradient for either the cumulative production line or the cumulative consumption line is always positive, which is their daily production or consumption. Now let's draw the cumulative consumption line and cumulative production line as the same figure. So the horizontal axis is still time. The vertical axis, this is cumulative items. So we will have a question now. There are 3 cases. One case, let's say this is a cumulative production line. This is a cumulative consumption line. So in this case, the cumulative production is always higher than the cumulative consumption. So the system will be exploded as there are so many products which are not consumed. Or the other way around, if this is the cumulative production and this is the cumulative consumption, then over a long time, the production cannot satisfy the overall consumption, so there will be no product to consume. In this way, we know that in the long run, the cumulative production line and the cumulative consumption line, although they may be different, but over a long time, they should follow the same pace.